Today we did an on-block capsulectomy, and this is from the patient's right side, this is from the left side, of implants that were placed more than 40 years ago, and they were down corning implants. And usually when you get an implant that's even 20 years old, there's a lot of scar tissue and calcification inside, but this one is relatively soft and I don't see any calcifications. And we're going to open up the capsule and see what's inside. There is some calcification, I just felt it. But remarkably little, and the implant, amazingly, is still intact after 40 years. Isn't that amazing? You can see inside this pocket itself, there are a couple of areas that are kind of firm and gritty, like calcified. But basically, this is a very, very non-reactive scar in a completely intact implant that's more than 40 years old.